Good morning, fifth grade. Today we're going to be doing lesson 107, which is using percent to name part of a group. If you haven't printed your worksheet, go ahead and get it now so that you can follow along. All right, so we have done this in class, 1/3 of 15. Remember, the word of means to multiply. So the first thing you're going to do is rewrite this equation. 1/3 times, remember we take the 15 and we put it over 1, always, always, okay? You can do that cross-canceling thing if you want, or you can just multiply across and reduce at the end. I'm just gonna reduce at the end just to make it less confusing. 1 times 15 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3. This is an improper fraction, so we need to put it in simplest form. 15 divided by 3, or 3 goes into 15 5 times, so my answer is 5. Okay, we've done this before, so I want you to press pause and I want you to do the next one, 2/3 of 6. Okay, now that you are back, I will work it out with you. First thing we do is rewrite the equation. 2/3, change the of to multiply and put my 6 over 1. Again, we can cross cancel or we can multiply across and simplify at the end. I'm gonna multiply across and simplify at the end to make it less confusing. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. Remember, this line means divided by, so 12 divided by 3, or 3 goes into 12, 4 times. So my answer is 4. Okay, if you flip to the back of your page, you'll see 10% of 5. I have showed you guys how to do this before, but it's a little bit more difficult. So watch as I do the first one. 10% of 5. In order to change this percent into a decimal, we have to move the decimal spot over 2 times. So really I have 0.10. Of still means to multiply, and then I bring down my 5. Okay? Sometimes the numbers are harder than a 10, so I'm going to show you the long way. Okay, so 10 times 5 is 0.50. But I have to put a decimal in there because I have a decimal here. I moved it over 2 times, so I have to move this one over 2 times. 1, 2. So the answer is 0.50. Okay?